the Secretary, Principal Secretary, Department of Higher and School Education Department, Shri Binod Kumar, IAS. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this evening, where we honor a legacy of resolve and service and love to human beings, we will begin with felicitation of the guests on the dais. On behalf of the organizers here, Okayama University, Sister Nivedita University Chancellor, Shishottam Roy Chaudhary, will pay his respects to Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And on behalf of the Government of West Bengal, Shri Binod Kumar, Principal Secretary, School and Higher Education Department, would felicitate the rest of the people and dignitaries here. And the people who have got all of us together, our friends from Japan, will be felicitated. And Shri Shottam Roy Chaudhary and Shri Binod Kumar doing the honors. I think there are special giveaways on behalf of the Government of West Bengal. Honorable Chief Minister tells all of us. This loving gesture from Honorable Chief Minister is for our friends from Japan. These very special Uttorios are from the Honorable Chief Minister. To greet the Director General of the City of Okayama, Mr. Hiroshi Fukuda. I will request Dr. Yasutomo Nasu, President of the historic Okayama University from Japan, for his address, please.
Minasan, konnichiwa. Distinguished officials of the government of West Bengal and the city of Kolkata, esteemed residents and honored guests. First of all, on behalf of Okayama University, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Sister Libertas University, our esteemed MOU partner, for their warm collaboration and friendship for spearheading this prestigious honorary degree of the Honorable Chief Minister. A very special thanks to Satyam Roy Choudhury, founder and managing director of Techno India Group and Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, for his visionary leadership in initiating the honorary doctorate of the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal. A dynamic leader of Mr. Satyam Roy Choudhury is an example of that young leader of Bengal should follow. A very special thanks to the Department of Global Affairs of Sister Niveditas University. Without their sincere effort, this award ceremony would not have been possible. Today, on behalf of Okayama University, a national university corporation located in Okayama Prefecture in Western Japan, I am deeply honored and sincerely grateful for this opportunity to confer the title of honorary degree of Doctor of Okayama University upon Her Excellency Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal State, the Republic of India. I extend my deepest gratitude to Her Excellency Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, and all those who have invited me to this splendid ceremony and welcomed me so warmly. I find it profoundly meaningful that today's conferment ceremony is being held as a symbol of the friendly relation between India and Japan, and between the state of West Bengal and Okayama University. In February of this year, I had the opportunity to participate in the Bengal Global Business Summit 2025 held here in Kolkata. During that event, I had the privilege of listening directly to Chief Minister's speech, which left a profound impression on me. Her words conveyed a sincere concern for the people and clear vision for the future, deeply moving me. Chief Minister Banerjee has championed politics for the common people, dedicating herself to improve the welfare of the poor, women, and children. She has implemented numerous reforms in foundation areas of life, such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure development, earning high praise both within and beyond the state of Bengal. Her policies emphasizing social inclusion, particularly in rural areas, such as health support for women and children, expanding education opportunities, and providing free legal aid, significantly contributed to deepening democracy in India. It is also greatly valued by the international community. Internationally, Chief Minister has been highly active, representing India at the United Nations General Assembly and the International Conference in Russia and Vietnam. She has also attended a conference on women workers' organization by the ILO International Labour Organization, and ICFTU, International Conference on Free Trade Unions, demonstrating her long-standing commitment to advancing human rights and women's status from a global perspective. In recognition of these outstanding achievements, exemplary leadership, and unwavering dedication to social justice and human dignity, Okayama University expressed its profound respect and has decided to confer the title of honorary degree of doctor. This conferral of an honorary degree marks a highly significant and historic milestones, as it is the first time Okayama University has awarded this honor to a woman from Asia. Allow me to briefly introduce Okayama University. Okayama University is one of the Japan's leading comprehensive research university, founded on 10 faculties and 1 program, with robust graduate schools, world-renowned research institute, a university hospital, and affiliated schools. Our mission is to contribute to the co-creation of the desired future for both local communities and the planet, working together the realization of planetary health. Furthermore, as a SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals Promotion Research University, we promote the creation and the utilization of integrated knowledge through the synthesis of diverse fields. This involves combining broad expertise and practical knowledge spanning the humanities, social sciences, natural sciences, and medicine with new literacies such as data science. Regarding our collaboration with Kolkata City in West Bengal in September 2007, Okayama University established the Collaborative Research Center of Okayama University for Infectious Disease in India within the National Institute for Research in Bacterial Infections in Kolkata. Since then, we have continuously sent researchers and staff to our center, conducting research activities related to infectious disease, including sample analysis and field survey. Furthermore, in Okayama, where Okayama University is located, an organization has been established under the banner of Okayama, a city where women shine. Within the context of women's empowerment, this group engages in discussion and implements pioneering initiatives. We hold deep respect of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who has worked for many years within the same context and is a global role model. As for our university, we intended to further strengthen university-to-university collaboration, primarily with West Bengal State and Kolkata City, deepening cooperation in education, research, and human resource development to contribute to the development of both nations. We sincerely hope that today's conferral of the honorary degree title will not only honor Chief Minister's long-standing achievement, but also make a new step forward in the friendship and cooperation between India and Japan. Once again, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who has made these precious opportunities possible. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Dr. Nasu. This is the moment which we are all waiting for, conferment of the honorary doctorate D.Litt to Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
The honorable degree of Dr. Okayama University. I read it. First in English, second in Japanese. Okayama University has conferred on Mamata Banerjee the honorary degree of Doctor for her Highness' outstanding contribution to the advancement of literature and culture. In testimony, therefore, the undersigned has affixed the state seal of university. Witness my hands, this the 12th day of November 2025, in Japanese language. 名誉博士Mamata Banerjee殿、あなたは学術文化の発展への貢献が特に顕著であったので、岡山大学名誉博士の称号を授与します。President, Okayama University, Yasutomo Nasu.
A moment which will remain in our memory forever. We are rare witnesses to this great moment. আপনারা করতালি দিয়ে এই আনন্দের মুহূর্তটিকে স্বাগত জানান। আমরা যারা এই সাক্ষী রইলাম, আমরা সত্যিই ভাগ্যবান, ভাগ্যবতী। আমাদের সকলের উদ্দেশ্যে এবার বক্তব্য রাখবেন মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়।
Thank you, Biplab. Good evening to all of you. Konnichiwa. Dr. Yasutomo Nasu, Dr. Masaharu Shinu, Professor Dr. Toehiko Watanabe, Mr. Daiki Nishiyama, Mr. Hiroshi Fukuda, Miss Ayumi Wazaki, His Masaku is Meriashu, আমাদের চিফ সেক্রেটারি মনোজ পন্থ, ডিজি পুলিশ রাজীব কুমার, সিপি মনোজ ভার্মা, অর্গানাইজার সিস্টার নিবেদিতা ইউনিভার্সিটির সত্যম রায়চৌধুরী, কলকাতা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের উপাচার্য আশুতোষবাবু, সোনালী চক্রবর্তী, আমাদের রবীন্দ্রভারতী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের এবং যাদবপুর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের মিস্টার চিরঞ্জীব বাবু, আরে আমি আজকে তো প্রথম দেখলাম, বিনোদ আমাদের এডুকেশন সেক্রেটারি, মনোজ ভার্মা আমাদের সিপি, ব্রাত্য বোস এডুকেশন মিনিস্টার, রাজীব কুমার ডিজি পুলিশ বেঙ্গল, আমার সামনে বসে আছেন অনেক রেসপেক্টেড অনারেবল all the distinguished guests, educationists, chancellor, vice chancellor, professors, principals, and others who are educationists, and my lovable students also, teachers also. I convey my best regards to all of you, especially who are present here today, and let us congratulate Japan as a country and Wakam University for their dignity and for their gracious presence here. We are delighted. It is your superb humanity, because Japan is always the human lover, and you always work for unity, integrity, peace, motivation, education, and the cultural field. Thank you so much for coming over here and gave us this prestigious prestige. Certainly, on behalf of Bengal people, I will dedicate to my Mama Timanush and my students for their preservation for the future. Because Japan always, please take your seat. Really, I am delighted to see this wonderful program. And especially, thank you, Mr. Satyam Rai Chaudhuri and other private university which are also there. My students are also their teachers, sir. My warmest greetings to all of you. I am happy that there is a strong collaboration between the Sister Nivedita University and the Wakama University. This is top global university and one of the Japan's best national universities. Established 1870, means very old and very gold. I'm happy to see that two important institutions from Bengal and Wakama University from Japan, they are working together. And they have an educational patch-up and the collaboration. It will not only boost up our students' fraternity, it will boost up our teachers' fraternity, and also our relation between Bengal and Japan and our country, India and Japan. Yes, we are happy that BGBS, you were present there. And since 7 years, Japan is our partner for the Bengal Business Summit. And that time, you are so nice, and it is kind of you that you invited us to go to visit Japan. And also, you have written me a letter. In the month of May, you came here only February, attended our BGBS conference as a partner country, and also you send us invitation letter to go to your university, so to visit and have that honor. It is in the month of May, and next day I reciprocate along with this prestigious respect for Bengal. And also, after that, I gave a reply that this year may not be possible, but I will go, we will decide this as per our mutual date. and month. But you people are so motivated and you are so energetic that you told Sattam to arrange a program in the month of November year itself. And there you said, I have received a letter that if you don't visit us this year, then we will be coming to Bengal and we will offer you there. You tell me, my friend, philosopher and guide, and my lovable students all, can I deny their love, their affection, and can I tell them that don't come to my state? Is it proper or fair? At least we have to respect the courtesy, the diplomacy. An education field and cultural field is something different. It cannot match with politics. It is a different field where the human being, the human touches. It touches the heart of the human body, touches our heart, our brain. We know that Bengal and Japan, our relation is very old. Even cultural program you have seen that how our people and Japanese culture mix up together. And it was really excellent how we gave us to remember those days when Rabindranath Tagore visited Japan. And always the Okakura Kakuzo, Rabindranath Tagore and the art of historian, everybody remember. Even Swami Vivekananda, he visited Japan before independence. It was very old times. 1893. Even after that, Rashbihari Bose, he also visited Japan before independence. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Sometimes we may forget, but history will not excuse us if we forget all this. When Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose set up this Indian National Army, you, the Japan government, Japan people, gave him full honor and full respect. Though there is a confusion between his death, now also everybody knows about his birthday, but we don't know about his death. But he is the man. He had set up this planning commission. This Indian National Army, so many things. Even Jai Hind was his slogan. And Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, Shanti Niketan, you have the unit. And you were collaborating with Shanti Niketan also from the beginning. Even ecotourism park also, you have some shops also. I have seen it in my own eyes. It is excellent. Rabindranath Tagore, the house. Even so many companies are working here. And they are investing huge money. Mitsubishi, Tata, Hitachi. They are doing so many work, even JICA. But instead of that, even Japan's Nippon Telegraph and Telephone Data has invested rupees 2,000 crore in Silicon Valley. Even Webel, which is Bengal IT department, Webel in association with Fujisoft has set up a state-of-art center of excellence on machine learning, 3D printing and designing, cyber security, etc. So our relation is not only It started from today. It started since hundreds of years. As we continue to work together to take our beloved state or to greater heights, and today's development, of course, it will be remembered forever. I wish all of you, your friends, your family members, your countrymen, Japan is a beautiful country. And your health is very good always. How you maintain your health? It's a matter of lesson, it's a matter of learning. And beautiful rivers, beautiful forests, beautiful water bodies, what not? Beautiful hills. You have everything with you. But some sad story is also there because of World War. Nagasaki, Hiroshima. That is also there. But you rebuild Japan like anything. And it is really our students also, they love to go to Japan and to study. They go for research. They go for their future in Japan. It is a symbol of a shared commitment partnership. May I quote Rabindranath Tagore, what Bengal always believed, now also, and it will be forever, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. And that's why there is no boundary limitation. Maybe you are different country, we are different country, but our heart is same, our blood is same, and we love each other because this is the humanity and this is the spirit of India and spirit of Bengal also. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. That means thank you very much. Thanks a lot for coming over here. You have taken too much travel to come over here. But we love all of you. And certainly when you personally, all the university professors, dignified people, you came here. So if you have the heart, we have the heart also. I can assure you next year I must visit your university to convey, to reciprocate our love and our heartful thanks to your university. And there will be a scope to visit Japan also. There are so many sweet, sweet things. You are very sweet and cute. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for coming over here. I know some people may not like it, but please forget that I am a chief minister. But I continue my life as a commoner. I love to continue my life not as a VIP but as a LIP, means less important persons. That is our life and that will continue up to my last breath. And always I feel proud that I born and brought up in Bengal. I salute this land. I salute the people of Bengal. I salute the teachers, professors, bassists, chancellors, educationists, doctors, farmers, workers, my beloved students, and all. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Joy Bangla.
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে আমাদের কৃতজ্ঞতা ধন্যবাদ। I will now request the Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, the organizing collaborator with Okayama University of this program, Sri Shottam Roy Chaudhary, to propose a formal vote of thanks, which I would request all of you to carry with applause, please.
Very good evening. Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, our beloved Didi, Sri Bratto Basu, Minister in charge, Department of Higher Education and School Education, Government of West Bengal, Dr. Manoj Pant, Honorable Chief Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Sri Rajiv Kumar, Sri Manoj Kumar Verma, Sri Vinod Kumar, Professor Chiranjeev Bhattacharya, Professor Ashutosh Ghosh, Sonali Chakraborty. I like to convey my sincere thanks to all of you for your presence. Respected dignitaries from Okayama University and Okayama City, Japan, Dr. Yasutomo Nasu, President of Okayama University, and the entire team of Okayama University and Japan. Distinguished guests from Japan and India, members of academia, my colleagues, friends, and my beloved students. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my profound honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this stage. Today, we have witnessed a historic moment that celebrates not only an individual, but her idea, her vision, and her indomitable spirit. The conferring of the honorary delete upon our revered Chief Minister by the prestigious Okayama University of Japan in recognition of our contribution to governance, education, social empowerment, and culture is not merely an academic honor, but a tribute to an individual leadership that inspires an unmatched compassion that unites and an unstoppable courage that transforms. Honorable Chief Minister, our beloved Didi, under your dynamic and inclusive leadership, Bengal has risen a beacon of progress and culture. You have shown the world that true leadership lies not in power, but in empathy. This recognition reflects how Bengal, since time immemorial, as a land of resilience, creativity, and compassion, has found an echo in the hearts of people across the world. I extend my deepest gratitude to Okayama University for bestowing this prestigious honor upon our beloved Didi, and for strengthening the bond between India and Japan, a bond rooted in mutual respect, learning, and shared values. My heartfelt thanks to the Japanese delegation, the officials and scholars, to everyone who made this meaningful event possible. To the organizing team, the members of the press, and all who worked behind the scene, thank you for your dedication and tireless effort in ensuring the success of today's ceremony. I like to thank Dona Ganguly and team, and I like to thank the team of Sister Nivedita University, Rabindra Bharati University, and Vishwa Bharati University for their performance. May the friendship between the India and Japan continue to flourish like the cherry blossoms that bloom with grace and the banyan tree that stands for wisdom, the symbol of our shared pursuit of harmony and enlightenment. And finally, to the Honorable Chief Minister, I humbly bow before your supreme leadership as a citizen of this beautiful state and as an admirer, as I express my heartiest congratulations to you. Have a good evening, everyone. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. That brings us to the close of this very special afternoon. I would request all of you to kindly be in your seats till the Honorable Chief Minister and the other dignitaries they leave the dais and proceed, and after which you can gradually leave the auditorium. Thank you very much.